Whoa, wang, dang, sweet boot dang. It's Apex Comics. Hello, hello. This is a Sunday morning unboxing. I got this a couple of days. Well, actually, yesterday. It was outside my house, so I was like, oh. So, got in there. So, I opened the box. What did I get? What did I get? Oh, shit. Oh, I got my. Oh. Yeah, man, got compressing stockings. Ha ha ha! Has nothing to do with comic books. Oh, what the fuck? Sorry. Anyway, wow. Fembat coming soon. Yes, she is coming soon on Found My Comic. Perhaps Indiegogo if they don't shadow ban my ass. Anyway, please like, subscribe, ring bell for notifications. God bless every one of you. Until next time, ciao for now.